The Survey Intermediate Edition is the next edition in the release of Trimble Business Center 5.0. This edition includes all the tools and capabilities found in the Viewer, Field Data Edition, as well as the Surface Modeling Edition. In the Survey Intermediate Edition, this is where you're going to be able to really start to annotate your drawing by labeling it or dimensioning it. You're also able to carry out site calibrations, as well as process your traverses, either total station or GNSS baselines. You can also carry out network adjustments, as well as produce survey data processing reports. In addition to that, you can also bring in and extract vectors from PDF and image files. So this will allow you to really bring in a PDF document and start doing some basic editing and surface modeling from a PDF or image-based file.